Hello and welcome to Land Rover Monthly. I'm Martin Domoney and this is an Oxford Diecast mystery box. And we're going to open this up together and see what's inside. So these are available from Oxford Diecast's website. They're £50 plus postage and they promise £100 worth of Land Rover models inside. So as you can see, I haven't opened it yet. So we're going to open this together and see what's inside. I haven't got a knife, so we're going to use a key. I've cut it most of the way across. Let's just finish up. Okay, so nothing much to see so far. Oh, okay. So, just see the contents there. Quite a few models inside. The first one I can see is this Defender RAC rescue vehicle. Nice little white 110. These are all 1/76 scale, so popular with a lot of railway modelers, things like that. But doesn't mean they lack detail, as you can see. They're really quite cool. They've all got number plates on. They've all got the livery, and you know, Oxford Diecast, well known for their quality models. So that's the first one. RAC Rescue Service 110 hardtop. Next up, okay, Royal Mail Series 2A in obviously red livery. I can see it's got coloured cappings and a cat flap rear door. Very cool. Again, 1/76 scale, all of these are. Very, very smart little model there. So that's two. Third out of the box, Range Rover Evoque. In white, again, with reg plate. This one's a 3-door coupe. Very, very cool. Full-length pano roof on it as well. Just adds to the realism. And even the alloys are modelled after real, full-size Evoque wheels. These are actually the ones I've got on my Freelander too. Boring little fact for you. Next up, out of the box, Series 1 Oxford Commercials range. And just trying to make out West Suffolk Division Field. Can't quite make it out. Field Cable Party. There we go, little bronze green Series 1 there with canvas roof. Spare wheel on the bonnet. Again, great detail on this. Pretty cool little thing. 4, and there's still loads left in the box. So let's carry on. Next up, Discovery 4. Very nice. I like that a lot. A 13 plate, so that would have the 8-speed ZF gearbox if we were talking full size. Very, very smart. Trying to figure out what colour that would be. It looks a little bit too pale to be the sort of metallic brown they did on them. But yeah, clear windows as well, full interior. Very smart model indeed. And all 7 seats are folded up, as you can see. Good stuff. Right then, still got quite a few to get through. Following on from Discovery 4 then, Discovery 5. This one's nice sort of mid-red colour, nice bright red. Great detail on this as well, the twin sunroofs, which you may or may not be happy to see on a Discovery. It's got the offset number plate, just like the full-size thing. Yeah, very good. 17 plate, so an early one. Good stuff. What's next? Where shall I go next? Let's go here in the middle. Quintessential Defender 110 County Station Wagon in green. Doesn't get more quintessential Land Rover than that. Spare wheel on the back door, of course. Alpine windows. Full interior again. 58 plate, so 2.4 TDCI. Lovely little model there. Right then. Let's go here. New Defender L663 in silver. I think that would be Indus silver. I'm sure someone will correct me if I'm wrong. And this one's quite heavily accessorised. It's got snorkel on it, roof rack with ladder, front nudge bar it looks like. Another very smart little model there. Spare wheel on the back door again with the Defender branding. Yeah, very nice. And this will be, okay, doesn't actually have a age-related plate. But all Oxford Diecast models are modelled straight off the full-size thing, so there will be a vehicle out there that has that plate, and this will be a direct model off that, which I've always quite liked about these diecast models. So we've got 5 left to go. Let's go here. Oh yeah, lightweight. Lovely detail on that, military lightweight. Even got the pole on the back with the flashing blue light. Done in military camo, of course. Nice little Series 3 lightweight there. With the little 205 tyres on the steel wheels. Always look a little bit small in my opinion on a lightweight, but yeah, military police no less. So again, got the spotlight on the roof. Nice detailing on that. Lovely stickers. Yeah, very smart. Really like that. Okay. Already you can see for 50 quid you're getting quite a lot. And we've still got 4 left to unveil. So next up, what's this one? Freelander 2, personal favourite of mine. This one's finished in white with, what livery's it got on it? London Underground emergency incident vehicle. There you go, a bit niche but cool nonetheless. As you can see, got the chevrons on the back there. Lovely detail. I think these are probably available in standard paint schemes as well. But again, part of the fun of the mystery box is you don't know what you're getting. So all these are completely random. The box was sealed. I haven't looked in it before. So yeah, it's a mystery for a reason. That's why they call it that. Next up then. Discovery 3 this time. A late Discovery 3 in Highways Agency. Traffic officer colours there. The luminescent orange and green or yellow. Siren on the top. All the seats have folded up for some reason. It's in full people carrying mode, which arguably a real one wouldn't. It'd have all the seats flat in the back for carrying cones and things like that. But yeah, very cool. 09 plate. One last little look. Very smart indeed. So, I'm running up, my pyramid is full. 2 left. Oh yeah, Series 180 inch. Very cool indeed. Soft top in a dark blue colour. There it is. I love the detailing on the galvanised cappings on these, all done finished in silver. Really contrasts, especially on something like this with the dark blue paint. Very cool indeed. And obviously, being the age it is, lights behind the grille. Yeah, right. Last but not least then, what do we reckon it's going to be? It is a Series 2A. Long wheelbase, soft top, possibly ex-military. Looks like it's got either galvanised or aluminium door tops because they're silver. The rest of it is bronze green with a lovely khaki colour soft top on it. Very smart. What does it say? It just says Series 2 canvas back bronze green. There we go. So, if you fancy getting yourself a Land Rover Mystery Box, head to oxforddiecast.co.uk and yeah, treat yourself. Put a link in the description where you can buy these from. Really good fun, make a perfect gift for someone. Anyway, we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.